Guys, this is me, Rashid again. I am gonna play this Get Strong and Race. So if you want to play this, just play this game. Okay, so let's start with this. So is that already some boosted already? So need to searching. Need to get it to level 2. It's pretty hard. But it's getting faster. Level 2, so the next one it's faster too. So I'm gonna be strong in this game. You know, please click the like button and subscribe and hit the notification. Thank you for you guys that I have my great life because of you, and you bring so much love to us. So thank you. Let's start with this. I'm a newbie pa. I'm level 2. I'm not gonna be a newbie. Level 2 it. I'm almost. So, I'm not a newbie. What is this? A streamer. Okay. Easy though. I win. $2K. Okay. What can I buy in my wins? Oh, egg. An egg. Hatch one. Can I hatch one? A dog. It is salmon dog. I'm being just meal. I'm not a newbie. I'm gonna level it. 4. Wow. So level 4. Ito. No guys, if you want to play this game, just play it. By the way, my name is, if you are new here, if you want to add friend me, I'm BaconSar43. Okay? That is my name in Roblox. But my real name in real life is Al Rashid M. Ansari. I'm gonna type them. Maybe I can. So now we're gonna be. Oh, I'm gonna play this. Oh. Oh, it's level 6, so get me. And I'll make them level 8. I'm not a newbie now. I'm being buff. You know, I have a low voice. Level 8. There, I got level 8. There. I'm level 8. I'm almost at level 8. So that I'll get play. You need a pet. I need a pet. So pet again. I'm gonna hatch one egg. Oh, a salmon dog again. It is the same. Oh, it's 12. I'm gonna easily get it. I'm almost. Sure, I'm gonna be done. There. Why I'm still on me? I'm gonna be. I don't want the rebirth. I guess I'm gonna attack this. Bye. Oh, what? I won! Can't believe it. No, I can take out the box. I'm more buffer than him. It's fast. It's not look like I'm buffer than him. Oh my god. I'm gonna win. Okay, Bandit wins, okay? Gonna buy one. Then a pig epic. Oh, a pig epic. It's good. I'm gonna level 10 them. Gonna level them. Damn. Ooh, I look buff. Look at this. Ooh, it's keeping me buffer and buffer. It's menacing. It's greater than it looks. Like in many looks. When you head up to the verse, when you head up to the base, when you're crabbing out the lake. I'm almost here. I'm here. Let's go, let's run fast. I'm lagging. Next one, this game is over. Ooh. Oh. There. Buff enough. Oh. I'm buffer than a buffer. Faster! Hi. See, I got it. Got it. 16 something. Whoa, I can do this. I can do this. Wow. Damn. Run. If you want me to play this game again, just send it in the comment section. I won again. I just won. I'm running faster than ever. I imagine how next can. Hello, this is how the video ends. Bye bye.